Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Instagram account on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to delete your Instagram account from your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on the profile option at the bottom right. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. And here just tap on account center and then select personal details option. And here just select account ownership and control. Then select deactivation or deletion option. Now just select your Instagram account. Let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. And here you have two options. You can deactivate your account or you can delete your account. So in case of deactivating, your account will be temporarily deleted, but when you log in, your account will be activated. Or if you want to delete your account, it will permanently delete your account and also including everything you have on Instagram. So just select delete account option from here. If you want to delete your account, just tap on this continue option. And here just select continue. And then you can select your Instagram, deleting your Instagram account reason. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on continue option. Then select if you want to only deactivate your account. So let's say I'm going to select this no continue with deletion. Just tap on this option. And here you can export your information if you want to export your data. So you can export it from here or you can either continue through that step. And now in this screen you have to simply enter your Instagram account password, and after entering your Instagram account password your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can easily delete your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.